What up, Jedi Nation? It is I, sithturntjediYT, back with my second reaction for today. Now, as I said in the last video, this is a song that I've already reacted to, but it was just re-released today, and I don't know, to me it sounds different. It sounds harder, sounds more... I don't know. It just sounds different, and honestly... it sounds better. It is a hard-hitting song. So, because it's a new video, and I like every artist in the video, I'm going to react to it again. So, without me talking too much about it, this is Every Day by Whitney Peyton with Head PE, Mad Child, King Click, and the Dropout Kings. And while I'm at it, shout out to Suburban Noize. They have signed a bunch of really hot artists. So look for that name. Look for the name Suburban Noize because they've got some hot ass artists. With that being said, I'm excited to get into this video. This is one of those that'll just make you fucking bang your head. So let's get into it. Every Day, Whitney Peyton, Head PE, Mad Child, King Click, Dropout Kings, and there's a couple others in there too. Let's get it.
Listen, it's evident I'm better than you ever said I'd be. You better step directly, better yet, just never mention me. Unless you want the extra beef, you best believe I dead the beat that's effortlessly. Rest in peace, impress them, then I press repeat. Give me my dues. You didn't hear that I'm the shit. I came to bring you the news. I ain't the one, so two-timers got your numerals confused. She like the way I'm rhyming, so I get oodles and nudes. You better chew all your food before you choking while you hating. I've seen every situation, from the fakest conversations to the critics raving. I was center stage, they said I'd never make it. Flagrant information, now they beg for invitations. Save it. I was knocked down nearly every day, dusted off my crown nearly every day, turned it all around, yeah, found a way. Never paid attention, now you checking for me every day. Hold up, I glowed up, now they all show love every day. Hold up, I show up and the place goes nuts every day.
We get to work on time, like every day. Work, no days off, we grind every day. Grind, murder in America every day. Hold up, smoke up every day, all day. I'm insecure, paranoid, and it's not okay. I still get up and go to war every fucking day. Nothing can stop my forward motion, the fuck out the way. Inertia. Suicidal bad brains, I got that PMA. You got issues, you tripping. That cap is DOA. Standard issues, why you hating? The fuck out the way. Fuck out the way. Put your hate away. Before I get you hurt, don't throw it all away. We do this every day. When it's time, I'm gonna die with my eyes wide open. But not yet, I'm breathing, I'm chosen. I'm in the game playing, you on the sidelines hating. Hold up, show love when I roll up with Miss Peyton.
Yeah, loose cannon, little Hulk, Bruce Banner, who's damaged? I'm grinding, I'm hungry, I'm famished, you vanish. Making a reckon, it's taking a second, they're checking for what I am doing, it's great. Feeling my reckoning, now it's consecutive, eating up animals, look at my plate. Hey, I am not a rata, ain't no written statement. I get obnoxious when I snap on tracks with Whitney Peyton. Everything I spit is blatant, kids are pretty basic. Last two girls I dated related kids to Satan. Little hitters back, I'm swinging for the fences. The game needs me, I don't need an intervention. I take my inner tension, then I get adventurous. So good is stupid, so eventually they'll pay attention. Problem was persistence and consistency. One man gang, I'm the general of this infantry. Angry infant, I am fired up and still charging. Gee, yelling at you kids like I'm a drill sergeant.
I was knocked down nearly every day, dusted off my crown nearly every day, turned it all around, yeah, found a way. Never paid attention, now you checking for me every day. Hold up.
I told y'all I'm not going to break this song up too much. This song speaks for itself. Every single artist on the track is fire, and most of them have been for years. Suburban Noize, it's where it's at. Telling you.
I glowed up, now they all show love every day. Hold show up and the place goes nuts every day.
You die once, but you live your life every day. Do what you like, love it, never waste your time away. It's a blessing when you're living life your way. Like I don't give a fuck, I kick it where the vibes stay. I'm only human, no, so yes, my mind, it goes astray. I battle beat these demons, I do it every day.
Facts.
Never sick, fuck, yeah, Chuck's a sick cunt. Swap bottle, smoke blunt, every day I ease pain. Medicate, all I do is medicate. Head in the cloud, hench, Lord, levitate. Let me set you straight, you can hate, I don't give a fuck. Just have fun and laugh, you don't want this bloodbath. I'm telling you, I'll get at you, shit'll get pitiful. Playing with the pistol, got the missile and it's aimed at you. Heat seeking, I'm on your neck like every day. Knocking at your door, you just wishing that I'd go away.
Cause I'm easily one of the greatest. No need to state it to basic rappers with status. Underneath stages I stay on, overstepping foes like I'm AI. The double cross unable to be computed by suckers while they frames fly out the picture. The eagle's broken, my style's sicker and slicker than COVID inside a liquid form. Tasted like liquor sippers, bouncing like asshole strippers, shining like stars and dippers and grow big until we zipper. Come together or else I behead them because I've been ahead of any plan or contingency that they had instead. Don't ever fuck with the feds, I duck them and I bet. Dodging bullets as they bust a chuck at my melanin flesh. I'm failing, oh yes, but only cause my mind a threat to the fabricated oasis where your life has been set. I bring the dark like I'm set, only to enlighten like raw. Round of applause for light from the God.
I was knocked down nearly every day, dusted off my crown nearly every day, turned it all around, yeah, I found a way. Never paid attention, now you're checking for me every day. Hold up, I glowed up, now they all show love every day. Hold up, I show up and the place goes nuts every day.
The stoner wreaking havoc, back to being problematic. On the stage I am a savage, making every show a classic. My career's been documented and my name is
Cottonmouth Kings, baby.
Addiction, go re-listen to bad habits. What didn't kill me only made me stronger. I weathered the storm and lately I've been paying reparations to the ones I harm. So save your speculations as to why and where the fuck I've gone. Cause first you gotta make it right at home and then you can move on. But I digress to those that seem to fucking forget how much I did invest in Cottonmouth and now the king clicks. So quit the bullshit and keep your joints lit. Cause your boy J. Rick's back at it again. A pioneer in the weed rap game, that's a fact. And now I'm circling back to everywhere on the map. And I ain't stopping till they toss me in a coffin. Even then I'll still be rocking, only with the clock popping. Every day I'm getting better and better, my peak raising. Snatch whack and seize up the mic while the beat playing. My 16's like the metal Wolverine made with. I made this while chained inside Stephen King's basement. The pavement, I'm banging your head until it crack. Then wait till you heal in the hospital, peel it back. Snatch your posters off of the wall and steal the tax. Wipe my ass with it, all of you gimmicks can feel the trash in the city dump. All that garbage that never sold, I'm the diamond in the rough, make pressure fold. The block's hot, I want my ops better cold. And
I can't wait for that freaking album to drop. That shit's gonna be fire.
My shooters put them in the sky like Jimmy Fly Snooker. Don't drive Uber, I got a body in the back. It's the Sub Noize captain, it's a body on the track. Yeah, that.
That right there is where it's at. I'm telling you. I said it before when I reacted to the original video for this song. Suburban Noize on the come up. Hot artists. New music. Y'all gonna be seeing a lot of Suburban Noize. With that being said, it has been I, sithturntjediYT. If you liked the video, hit that subscribe button. There is links in the description for merch, Patreon. If you want to support the channel, I would greatly appreciate it. But as always, I'm not one to beg. So, y'all have a great night. I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace out.